In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a report in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to sharpen your skills, crafting the right report can unlock a wealth of insights about your business. Let's walk through this process together step by step, and soon you'll be generating detailed, useful reports with ease. First, you need to sign into your HubSpot account and navigate to the reporting section. Once there, locate the reports option. This is the home base for everything we're about to create. Look to the top right corner of the screen and you'll find the Create Report button. This is where the magic begins. Click on it and you'll be presented with a few choices. On the left, you'll see a sidebar menu. Select Custom Report. This option provides you with the flexibility to tailor-make a report that fits your specific data needs. Once you've selected Custom Report, proceed by clicking Next. Now, you need to decide how you want to get started with your report. You have two clear pathways. If you choose to create a report on your own, you'll start by selecting from the Primary Data Source drop-down menu. Here, you can narrow down the scope of your report, focusing on the areas that matter most to you. If needed, toggle the Add More Data Sources switch. This feature allows you to incorporate more data sets, providing a richer analysis. Next, click on Plus Add Association Labels. This is where you specify which records should be included in your report. Association labels add an extra layer of specificity by determining the relationships between your data points. Once you've set up your data and associations, click Next to move forward. Alternatively, for those using Data Hub Enterprise, you can start with a data set. In this case, take a look at the table displayed and you'll notice various data sets listed there. Hover over any dataset to get a closer look, or if you want to modify it, go ahead and make your edits. If none of the existing datasets meet your needs, you have the option to create a new one by selecting Create Dataset. This allows you to tailor exactly what your report will analyze. Once you have made your choice, click Next. Now you are ready to continue building your custom report. HubSpot CRM interface is designed to facilitate this process, enabling you to adjust and refine your report as needed. As you experiment by adding different fields and adjusting the parameters, keep in mind the specific insights you are aiming to capture. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to generating informative and impactful reports in HubSpot. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to make data-driven decisions for your business.